The secret of a shark's hammer, the longest neck since the dinosaur. Every shape in nature, no matter how bizarre it may appear, evolved as a result of the struggle for survival. And how we got into the shape we're in, all these things comprises zoology. At the start, 3.5 billion years ago, the shape of life was a single cell. But its life form evolved from the first primitive animals and most. The shape of life forms determines if they would live or die. Yet every one of these strange bodies have evolved for a single purpose: survival. Let us first define zoology. Zoology is the branch of biology that studies the animal kingdom, including the structure, embryology, evolution, classification, habits, distribution of all animals, both living and extinct. The term is derived from the Greek word zoology, which means animals, and logos, which means to study. It tackles all about cells, tissues, organs, and organ systems of animals. It also includes cell division, history and evolution, gene frequencies, animal kingdom, and phylogeny. The evolutionary perspective section presents hypotheses regarding the origin of protist, kingdom Animalia, and underlying phyla. Protists arose about 1.5 billion years ago when the supergroups Archaea and Eukarya diverged. Some protists are plant-like because they are autotrophic, which means they produce their own food, and others are animal-like because they are primarily heterotrophic, which means they feed on organisms. Protists include organisms like ciliates, amoeba, Trichomonas vaginalis, dinoflagellates, and forams. We also have these multicellular organisms, which is categorized according to tissue levels of organization, which includes phylum Porifera, phylum Cnidaria, and phylum Ctenophora. While phylum Lophotrochozoans includes organisms which are bilaterally symmetrical, tripoblastic, which means they have 3 germ layers, and acidoid. They are the so-called flatworms, which include class Turbellaria, Monogenea, Platyhelminthes, and Lepidopsoma. And what about the snails, slugs, oysters? How about squid and octopus? They are considered as gastropods, bivalves, and cephalopods, which falls under mollusks. Another group of organisms is the so-called annelida, which is known for their metameric body form, which means they are segmental, like earthworm and leeches. Under phylum Ecdysozoa lies arthropods, which includes spiders, ticks and mites, as well as insects such as bees, wasps, and also millipedes. And under phylum Deuterostomia lies echinoderms, hemicrordata, and invertebrate chordates, which includes sea urchins, sea daisy, and equinorms. Zoology also includes study of fishes, amphibians, reptiles, and most especially mammals, plus their movement, nutrition, as well as their reproduction. All these things are being studied in zoology. How organisms evolved from its primitive up to its present form, how they diverged and survived. But no matter how millions of organisms are living around us, all we have to do is to protect all life forms that God has created.